students, today we are going to start the revision of article writing. So what we need to write an article is 100% the topic is given to you in the question itself, that giving the detail of the question. In the last line it is written, write an article on dash. Topic is 100% given to you in the question paper itself. So what you are supposed to do, you are to copy that heading, that topic over here, and immediately on the right hand side you are supposed to write the name of the person who is going to write the article. 100% in CBSE also, name of the person is also given to you. There are two names given to you in the question paper, one for boys, one for girls. You can choose any one for yourself. There is no hard and fast rule, because in the board exam nobody knows whether the question answer sheet is of a boy or a girl, but the name given in the question paper should be used. Don't use your own name anywhere in the answer sheet. You are not supposed to write your name anywhere. So write the name over here, right, written by the name of the person who is writing. Just check it from the question paper. Then in your mind, divide the material of the article in three parts. First, it should be intro. Second, it should be, you can say, the body. And third, you can say suggestion, conclusion, or remedy. But I would like to make it clear to you, matter should be divided only in your mind in three parts. Number one, keep in mind, you are not supposed to mention these words over here. You are not to write introduction, you are not to write the word body, you are not to write the word suggestion, conclusion, or remedy. These are not to be written. Number two, you are not supposed to give the numbering. Suppose you write number one is introduction, second is the body, and third is no. Material is to be divided into three parts, but numbering is not to be given. I am going to cross it. Numbering is not to be given, headings are not to be given, but automatically the material should be in these three sections for you. Is that clear? In the first few lines, you are supposed to introduce the topic which is given to you. What is the topic about? How you can explain the meaning of that question, that problem, that topic. In the next paragraph, that will be the biggest paragraph out of these three, where you are to include all the knowledge which you have regarding that topic, regarding that situation. That may be a data from anywhere, that may be your knowledge regarding that, your experience regarding that. That is the biggest paragraph, and that's why it's known as the body. And the last part will be the solution, conclusion, or you can say the remedy. Then you are to give the solutions. If there is a problem, how you can solve this problem, what suggestions you can provide to that problem, what is the conclusion according to you, right? So the paragraph, the material should be divided into three parts. I repeat it, without giving any heading to any paragraph, without giving any numbering to any paragraph, right? Another important point, when you start with the introduction and after 2-3 lines you just finish over here, introduction is complete. Earlier what we do, we start the second paragraph from here, but now it is wrong. You need to go back straight to the marginal line, and the next paragraph will start from the next new line. Keep in mind one thing, if you start writing from here, it will be wrong format and there will be deduction of marks for wrong format. So what you are to do, you are to leave the sentence as it is, come to the next line with the marginal line. So draw the marginal line on both the side like shown in this. Draw the marginal line on both the side, and then come to the next line near the marginal line and start the second paragraph. In the same way, when you complete your long paragraph over here, suppose leave this space, don't start from here, it will be wrong. Come back to the marginal line and start from the next line, the next paragraph. Is that clear? Another situation which you are supposed to handle, you are to write the name over here. Suppose you simply forget to write over here, no issues, because in the board exam, examiner will put a red interrogation over here. then what you are supposed to do? You are to write at the end of the paragraph by the name which is given to you in the question paper. Keep in mind one thing, if you are writing at the top, immediately after the heading, it should be on the right hand side. But if you are writing at the end of the page, at the end of the article, it should be on the left hand side. In case you simply forget to write at the both the places, again there will be the deduction of marks. Suppose you write it but you write on the right hand side, it will be again wrong on the right hand side. It should be written on the left hand side only. Is that clear? This is the format how to write the article. In my next video I am going to explain how to write the report, because in 12th class for this year only these two long compositions are there, article writing and report writing. In case you have any query, you can call me